So as a new writer, there is no other group of people that I would recommend more that you get yourself plugged into than AWAI. Because honestly, without AWAI, without Rebecca, without Katie, I would not have a career. I wouldn't have made all of the pathways and the friends that I've made. I would not have had the connections that I've had.
It's just a great support system. I've learned the vast majority of what I know from AWAI. I've gotten most of my clients from them. I've got some other great friends and mentors through them.
I would recommend them to anybody who wants to get started in writing and copywriting, even in info marketing in general. You know, maybe they're not a copywriter, but they want to somehow get involved in this business.
There are so many times that I've had friends or family members who have looked at me and said, you know, I'm not enjoying what I'm doing right now. And there's been so many times where I've said, you need to check out AWAI. And the reason I say that is because it is just a fantastic group of people. It is filled with people who they make it their entire goal in life to help you escape a situation that you don't like so you can have financial and personal freedom.
Starting out with AWAI and moving forward with that whole environment, we'll call it, is just such a great way to get started, but also to keep moving in your career path.
And they care so much. They want you to succeed. They want you to be their next success story. And they do everything they can. They make every connection they can to make that happen for you.
You not only get to learn how to write copy, but you get to learn how to build a business. And that covers everything from building a website to creating a LinkedIn profile and learning how to market yourself.
You create a lot of new friends and a support structure, and the people are always willing to help you, and they take a vested interest in making sure that you're not just a customer of AWAI, but that you can become a future success story. And that really is their mission, to try to change as many lives as possible. And I think they do a great job at it, and I can't recommend them enough.
All of the opportunities that I've had have literally, everything comes back to AWAI. So if you're looking for friendship and mentorship and all the opportunity that you can possibly have and more, there's nobody better than American writers and artists.
It's something that you can learn. You are given so many skills. You're given so many resources through AWAI. All of the people are so approachable, all of the experts and the teachers that you'll get to meet through their programs. And I 100% recommend to anybody that you give it a shot. It's real. It's going to help you. If you apply yourself, all of the things that they say are possible.